After resisting having Mozambique on the Southern African Development Committee SADC Extraordinary Summit agenda held in Harare on Wednesday, citing political and legal issues, outgoing Mozambican President Filipe Nyusi has reached out to Venancio Mondlane, the leader of the opposition, who contested the hotly disputed presidential election with winner Daniel Chapo for dialogue next week. Sana pina mashuko atuna kuti wakomana na Filipe Nyusi vokanda maoko mudenga vonyasukona kuti pana patina win woda dialogue na opposition. Sana pina mashuko mdanyi kwa pana pa don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pa the news box on your chiti Nyusi sent a letter to Mondlane to ask for a meeting on 26 November to discuss the recent elections and post-election violence and growing chaos in Mozambique, which has led to disruptive political instability, brutality, and killings. The results of the elections are being challenged in court, despite that Mondlane's lawyer Elvino Diaz and Paulo Cohambe, his opposition Podemos parliamentary candidate, were gunned down in broad daylight. More than 50 people have been killed in the post-election violence. Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa rushed with indecent haste to congratulate Chapo before official results were announced. This put Mnangagwa, who is also SADC chairperson, in an awkward position as SADC chair. Mnangagwa is expected to neutral so that he can help resolve issues, but his approach has been openly partisan and incompetent. Do mashuka anomudanyi ugwana pana panoko mnanyi the news box atira mashuka kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akanga akatarisirwa kuti achava neutral pane this issue, but iye akanotora side nobva kuside aiwa kwa nevakomana ve the ruling party vana Filipe Nyusi ndobva avagadza zvavo pachigaro. But tinoona kuti chaos yauya panapa tinyatsokona kuti nyangwe issue yafana kuisa on the table during the SADC summit yakaitwa this week. Vakomana they neglected. Zvatakuona vana Filipe Nyusi vakunokumbira dialogue nokomana opposition, nyangwe ma-allies avo vakawanda vakashutiwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.